Yo, what's up, everybody? Dave here, Saylor Innovations, Card Cash. Y'all know me. For the logo, we do mail-in repairs, we do data recoveries, we do custom computers, cryptocurrency mining, we do emulation stations, 3D printing. We offer a variety of digital services. We also buy junk electronics and we recycle free electronics. Or we recycle your electronics for free, I'm sorry. Your old and broken stuff. Anyway, today we're switching out a charge port on a, let's see if I remember what this was. Let me look it up real quick. Right here. It's on a, let's see. A13, yeah, that's what it is. It's an A13 Calypso, yeah. It's actually an AT&T Calypso, yeah. Sorry, I don't know why I said A13. But anyway, yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna switch out this charge port. Now I've already got all of it. I've caught it up to the part where, see, they've janked it right here. Somebody janked that charge port. So now here's the thing about this. What you gotta remember is, okay, when you get down here to it, and you're pulling out the bad one. The bad one don't matter. The good one is what matters, okay? So I'm taking from another Calypso and using that one. But anyway, so you pop it here, right? We get the ribbon cable with the fingernail, you know, like I've shown you in other videos. We pull this back up, just like this, pull it up. And then, you know, I've got my heat mat, that really helps a lot. But see, what catches these right here is always the vibration taptic motor. So what you gotta do is get up and under it, right here. It helps with the heat, it really does. And then it kind of lets you pry it up a little bit there. See here? I've done that. Oh yeah, there we go. So now it's gonna release freely after I get this one. This one is also glued down. You gotta be super careful. Don't use metal with those because it will shred it. That's still a good screen there too, so. And kind of just ease it out, ease it out. And so you can kind of, it does have a metal seat plate under it. Make sure you don't rip no components and stuff. You can kind of get up and under it there. See how I done it? Oh yeah, there we go. But you don't want to scratch the board or hit anything off of it, you know. That will guarantee you it will mess it up. Now once it's loose, see, you can pull it right out of the slots here. Boom. I did that without any damage to anything. See here? Now we're gonna pop this up, everything's disconnected, good. And sometimes you may have to let it heat back up a little bit, you know, to kind of loosen that adhesive. It makes your job easier, you know, as you go. I just kind of like pop it down the way there. I done that, pop, pop, pop. Everything's just kind of easing on out there. See here? Ease on up out there. That's the bad one, it don't really matter, but the screen, it is built into it, and you don't want to damage none of the connectors, nothing else on it, you know what I'm saying? This is the bad charge port. See where they janked it right there? I hate that right there. People trying to do their own stuff and make my job 10 times harder, I swear. So once that's disconnected, make sure, oh, it's got that little deal right there. There we go. Now, that's the bad one up out there. This is the phone we're going to use. Okay, so now you take the good one, which is somewhere. Oh, it's over here. Here we go. I should have had it heating up too, but I already got it loose. See there? I did it the same exact way. Boom, boom, boom. There, I did that. See, it's already loose, so it can, I should have loosened it all the way, but you get the point. See there, and you just take, kind of chop that off. See, you gotta watch that right there. That little bit right there. I mean, usually I got some cuticle scissors, but people have stolen them, so use my other ones. I don't do that normally. Only reason I even done it is because I've done this 1,000 times, and I know where I can cut and where I can't. but I have a very expensive education. Don't be like me. I didn't have nobody showing me. If I didn't learn it myself, then guess what? I wouldn't have it. 'Cause everybody around me is, stupid. Well, that's not true. Not everybody, but a lot of people are. Yes. Pop. There we go. Now it's out of there. Boom. So put those back. Put this back. Okay, good. Now this is the good port. We want this one over here. Okay, so set that there for now. Put this here and ease in. Up and under the ribbon there, see her? Now you should be able to ease it on down. Yeah, see it's seated perfectly. Good. Now you can put that back there. Connect this. Make sure it snaps good. There we go. It gripped good that time. We're gonna bring this around, up and over. Don't forget the guide inlay for this ribbon or for this cable here. Get that going where it's supposed to go, and then you should be able to snap it right in. Let's see. And alley-oop. Well, probably just snap it in and then get the guide inlay later. That'd probably be the easier way, yeah. Yep. See how I done it. Now it's in there. You just wrap this around there. You can't even notice the cord normally. Got that in there. Boom, boom. Thank you. Ain't gotta be perfect, that'll do. Get it wrapped around there, and then as long as you get it in that thing and connect it, you're good. There's that back in there. And push that back down. Good. Now, lower mid-frame housing. Like this. Boom. And that's it. We put the upper mid-frame housing back on right here. Just like this. Boom, boom. And now we're reconnecting our screws. Setting them back in. And the battery is always the very last thing to go, because you don't want to put any power to it until you're done. Until you're ready to check it. So go ahead and throw these back in there really quickly, and then we'll check it. You should be able to tell pretty quickly if it's going to do right or not. It'll take a charge. There, it's popping it down for you. Snapping it. I like that. Sure do. I like to leave enough space on them where I ain't got to touch them every time, but it very rarely ever happens like that. You can kind of rake them off the end of your screwdriver if you got a magnetic, and you can line them up that way if you get good. Now the top. This is also the other phone screws here. In case you were wondering, like, dang, that's a lot of screws. Yeah, it is, but it's also the other phones. There we go, there's that, done. Boom. Couple more. The other phone, I didn't remove the top, because I was looking at this one at some other things. It's just the bottom. And wunderbar. There we got it. We'll check it out here and see how she does. Put the battery in. Boom. Now, go back. Good sign. Let's see if she takes a charge. She should. She sure should now. Wait till it initializes before you put the current on it. That could mess up a cheaper phone like this one. And so that's why I didn't order a brand new part, because I ain't trying to spend no crazy amount of money on this phone. You see, now the power inlay's good, so it's stabilized, and well, we have charging capability, folks. Successful. All right, thanks, y'all. Y'all have a good evening. Saylor Innovations. Call us for your next repair. Mail-in repair service. All right, the description. It's below. You know, it's in the description where to mail them to. Also, everything that we do. All right, thanks, y'all. Have a good night.